Hi and welcome to my new DJI Mavic 2 accessories video. Please note that in this video, I'll not be reviewing any products, but in fact just showing you the products which are available out there. So I've already ordered these products and they usually arrive in about 10 plus working days. So if you can't wait about that long, do place an order first. I'm sure the products will do just fine. So like all my other videos, I always start with the landing gear. Like the Mavic Pro 1, the Spark or the Mavic Air, all of them will usually need the landing gear. This is especially useful when taking off from grass or other surfaces. And with this landing gear, it usually prevents the gimbal overload. Now this set also comes with the optional flashlights. If you haven't seen my previous videos, this is how the flashlight looks like. The flashlights are likely to be of the same model as the one in my video. And of course, one of my favorite accessories for traveling is always the compact carrying case. Now the Mavic 1 carrying case would be unlikely to be able to fit your Mavic 2, so I would definitely suggest getting this together with the compact controller case. This will make it the most compact, efficient way to transport your drone safely. And of course, I'll compare the size and how it does together with all my other most compact cases for my other drones. One of my other favorite items when I'm just bringing out the drone itself is this combo case. Now these cases have cutouts specially made for the Mavic 2. Now the case which really caught my eye will be this grey combo case, which I've already purchased. So I'll show you how it looks like in real life in my next video in a month's time. If you prefer original DJI cases, well, we have the cloth bag, which I would not really recommend. And if protection is your utmost priority, I would suggest this original case by DJI. So if you do like these original items, do click on my affiliate link. It will really help me out a lot. Next up, we have the trap adapter. And this item is especially useful if you like to get an alternative perspective, usually by fitting the GoPro. The Mavic 1 also has a similar problem with the Mavic 2, I believe, which is the propellers sometimes move about a lot. So if you don't like your propellers flipping around, this is a simple solution. Next up, of course, we have the Joystick Guards. Similarly, I'll test it if you can adapt it with your Mavic Air, your Mavic Pro or your DJI Spark Joystick Guards. And of course, I'll also try out the well-made alloy joysticks. One very important item which DJI has started selling is the lens filter. However, there are also third-party lens filters out there, such as the one by PGY. The lens by DJI is currently out of stock, and usually they take a really long time to be in stock. For example, I had to wait many months for my DJI goggles to be in stock again. So if you can't wait that long, do consider this in-stock third-party lenses. But of course, in my videos, I'm interested in the affordable items as well. And the good thing about them is, you don't have to buy the whole set. I've also purchased this medium-sized lens filter bag. And I'm quite curious if it will fit the lens of the Mavic 2 Pro, as the lens seems to be slightly larger and in a rectangular shape. Next up, we have the very popular tablet adapter as well. And mind you, this one is by DJI. It looks really expensive and exquisite. And it also does come at a much higher price point. So if style and quality is your thing, please do purchase this from my affiliate link. I'm sure it will not disappoint. However, if you want something more cost effective yet works extremely well, do consider the one which I showed in my previous videos. It holds up to very large tablets and works very well so far. If you really have a tight budget, these tablet adapters work quite well as well. It is not that easy to fit on your controller, however, it does the job. I'm not sure if it will fit perfectly for the Mavic 2 controller, but when it's in, I'll give it a try. This one is less than half the price of the one by DJI. And of course, if I have time in the video, I'll see how it matches up with the landing pads, especially the one with lights. One extremely important accessory you would like to bring along with you is the Lipo safe bags. This one in the picture is by DJI. However, like I have said in all my previous videos, I'm more inclined to prefer the one specially made for the Mavic 2. And DJI has even produced their very own popular monitor shade. But of course, it fits only for your Mavic controller. If you want something more universal, do consider this one. I've already ordered this piece a few weeks back as I feel that I need it, and it has already arrived. So far, it has worked very well for all my products. Be it the Mavic Air controller, Spark controller, Mavic controller, and it can even be a standalone product. You can just use it on its own on a bright sunny day. And of course, we have the decal stickers. And these are extremely popular, and there are some really gorgeous looking ones out there. For example, these really shiny ones, or the really cool carbon look fiber feel. Other accessories which I'll feature would be, of course, the cable. This cable is a must-have if you are using a tablet and fixing it on to your tablet holder. In my next video, I will also very briefly see if you can fit previous items such as the range extender or the lanyard adapter. And that's the end of my introduction video. If you see any items you like, all the links are below. And as usual, please do subscribe so you can catch my next video. That's all I have for now, and see you in a few weeks time.